Mental Maths Tambola. Come, let us play. Mental Maths Tambola. How do we prepare ourselves to play Mental Maths Tambola? Teacher conducting the game must prepare slips with the mental math problems written on them and place the slips in a bowl. Keep another empty bowl on the side. Teacher conducting the game must prepare a grid as shown in the video from number 1 to 90 on a sheet of paper with numbers written in rows of 10. The first row will have numbers from 1 to 10. Second row will have numbers from 11 to 20 and third row will have numbers from 21 to 30. The last row has numbers from 91 to 90. Teachers conducting the game should be confident and speak loudly. The numbers called out will be at random when drawn out from a bowl. Here is a grid. The grid for teacher is to record the numbers which she has called out. She will cancel out the number which she calls on this grid. She will also check the winning points with the help of this grid because she has cancelled the numbers she has called out in this grid. Teacher conducting the game explains how it is to be played after distributing the tickets to each child. Let's have a look at the ticket. Now the Tambola ticket has 3 rows as all of you can see, and it has 9 columns, and so in all it will have 27 squares. Each Tambola ticket will have 3 rows and 9 columns, in total 27 spaces. Every ticket has 15 random numbers lying between 1 and 90. They are arranged in such a way that each row has 5 numbers and every column can have 1, 2 or 3 numbers. Numbers between 1 and 9 are written in the first column, between 10 and 19 in the second column, between 20 and 29 in the third column, and so on. The teacher must explain to the students which numbers to search for in which columns. She must tell the students to listen carefully as the clue or question for the numbers are called out and then strike out the number on his or her ticket. The teacher must explain the prizes of the game. Let's see what are the prizes. Early 5. The first child who strikes out any 5 numbers out of the 15 on one ticket wins the prize. Corners. The first child who strikes out the first and last numbers of the top and bottom lines wins this ticket, wins this prize. 4 corners. Line. The first child who strikes out all the numbers in any of the rows, top, middle or bottom, wins this prize. Full house. The first child who strikes out all the numbers on one ticket wins this prize. The child completes one winning point and says yes before the next question is called out. The child can give the ticket for checking and claim the winning point after checking. Let's start the game. Mental Maths with Tambola. Teacher pulls out a slip Q from the bowl and calls out the question. She then places the slip in the empty bowl. The children playing the game will solve the mental math problem and strike out number corresponding to the answer that they get. All answers are numbers from 1 to 90 and the teacher cuts numbers from the grid as she announces the question. She can check from the grid which numbers she has already called out. Children playing the game will strike out the answer numbers from the ticket after listening to the question and solving it mentally. Children who are playing the game on completion of a winning point, corners, early 5, line or a house, shout yes. Teacher conducting can check the numbers on the winning tickets from the grid and hand over reward to children. If you claim a winning point which is wrong, it will be called bogey. The game ends when all the winning points of the game are declared. No money to be involved. Important. The answer to the question numbers are not called out by the teacher. Let's see some questions. A number which is neither composite nor prime. Number 1. So I'll cancel number 1 from my ticket. The smallest composite number, number 4. So I cancel number 4 from my ticket. Number of cheetahs which came from Namibia on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday in 2022. Number 8. Number of players in a hockey team. Number 11. So I'll cut out number 11 from my ticket. Date of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday. Number 17. So which number will I cut? 17. Length of the cricket pitch in yards. Number 22 to be cut from my ticket. Number of spokes in the Ashok Chakra of Indian flag. Number 24. Number 24 to be cut from the ticket. A number 34 when rounded off to the nearest tens gives this number. Number 30 to be cut from my ticket. Freezing point of water in the Fahrenheit scale of temperature, 32. 32 number will be cut or striked off from the ticket. Find the sum of 37 plus 0. Number 37 to be cut from the ticket. Number corresponding to Roman number XXXV111. Number 38 to be cut from the ticket. Measure of complementary angles which are equal to each other. Number 45 to be cut from the ticket. Value of x in the equation x upon 8 equal to 6. X is equal to 48. 48 number will be cut from the ticket. Last 2 digits of the year when India became a republic. Number 50. Number of cards in a pack of cards. Number 52. Product of -4 and -14. Number 56 to be cancelled from the ticket. Predecessor of 64. Number 63. Value of -116 upon -2. Number 58 to be striked out from the ticket. Dividing the number 17 gives a quotient 4. What is the number? 17 multiplied by 4 is 68 to be cut from the ticket. Last 2 digits of the year in which Bangladesh came into existence. Number 71. An angle whose measure is 108 degrees less than the sum of 2 supplementary angles. Number 72 to be cut from the ticket. Cost price of an article is ₹100, loss ₹22, selling price is number 78 to be cut from the ticket. Value of x in the equation 2x is equal to 158. Number 79 to be cancelled. Two intersecting lines. One of the four angles formed is 88 degrees. Measure of the angle vertically opposite to it is 88. So we cancel number 88 from the ticket. 1 hundredths minus 1 tenths, 5 ones. So it is 100 minus 15 equal to 85. The question number is the answer to the question. This is to encourage the children to solve the questions mentally faster. The teacher can adjust her speed of calling out the questions. Questions can be adjusted by the teacher according to the level of the children. Questions can be prepared by the teacher for each topic that she teaches and use this method to revise the lessons. The video is for teachers and children in a group to play, enjoy, and learn mathematics.